Hi, I'm Jack Burgemeister, a fourth year EEE student at the University of Adelaide. Over the past 12 weeks, I've been undertaking this walk you're currently observing towards the SA Power Network's Keswick office to take my place on the 5th floor within the major projects team. SA Power Networks is the NSP responsible for regulating and maintaining South Australia's distribution network. One of 10 distinct departments, Field Services is responsible for providing regulated end-to-end infrastructure services, providing construction, maintenance, transmission and project delivery in relation to the distribution network. Major Projects is an interdisciplinary team responsible for delivering these projects. Allocated projects with an estimated budget exceeding $500,000 or a high-risk nature. Our role within the Field Services Department is to deliver projects developed by network management in conjunction with internal or external suppliers and contractors. This project management is primarily based on the PMBOK tailored to the major project's specific application. My major project during my time at SA Power Networks was Dynamic Army of Under-Frequency Load Shedding, or DUFLs. The essential aim of this project was to increase the efficacy of the under-frequency load shedding mechanism without inhibiting the discharge of renewable energy from distributed photovoltaics or DPV into the grid. This project is of significance as UFLs is an emergency mechanism and if unable to correct the power system will result in a system blackout such as the event in 2016. My primary day-to-day tasks within this project involve creating databases to collate items across many projects, devising figures to demonstrate weekly project progress, the optimization of reporting, and communication of effective resource management. As a part of DUFLs, I also completed some preliminary substation scoping for work scheduled to be completed in 2023. This involved the analysis of substation schematics within SAPN's red-eye drawing system, finding the required infrastructure and scoping the work required for each case. For some of these cases, a site visit was required in order to confirm the action. The square waterhole substation was an example of this case. As I'm currently showing, UPVC conduit exists running from the relay house to all 4 reclosers, hence no further civil action was required. This task significantly induced my problem-solving ability and encouraged my resourcefulness as some substations had low visibility, requiring the use of tools such as Google Maps, feeder diagrams and substation diagrams to find the required infrastructure. In addition to my DUFLs work, I worked to automate several data processes, enabling senior management to have increased visibility of team and project performance. Developing these complex systems developed my knowledge of Power BI, Excel swing tables, and the SharePoint and Power BI interconnection, a powerful link that allowed me to provide real-time data analysis to the management team. Presenting these systems to my senior management also provided the opportunity to develop my corporate communication, presenting concise reports and systems that provide visual benefits and articulate predefined requirements. In conjunction with my theoretical work, I also attended several site meetings that enabled me to further develop my knowledge of substation infrastructure, being able to visualize the diagrams I frequently observe within the office. These site visits include the Blanchetown Emergency Feeder Tie in cooperation with the flood response, the Kilburn substation where I gained some background information about protection schemes and observed a cable upgrade site walkover, a day with a line crew where I observed some glove and barrier work on live lines, and Whitmore Square substation where I witnessed some hydrovacking around live cables and subsequent substation work. These were all in conjunction with visits to the Pole Yard, Transformer Workshop, Angle Park Training Centre, Elizabeth Network Office and many more. Throughout my 12 weeks of experience in major projects, I found that working on projects such as DUFLs aimed to combat the increase in renewable power supply to be significantly rewarding as it poses so many revelational benefits. This experience has further accentuated my motivation for a career in the power sector as it intertwines my interest in renewables and grid infrastructure with the niche of project management into a significantly attractive career prospect. Overall, my time at SA Power Networks has enlightened me to the complexity involved within power system augmentation, in conjunction with the correct project management and engineering techniques required to streamline this essential process. I sincerely thank the SA Power Networks organisation, Tony Stansbury and the Major Projects team, as well as the API for this invaluable opportunity. Thank you.